taki rumba. Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today we are going to make chicken bulgogi, and even better with chicken bulgogi udon noodles. Noodles. So anyway, I sounds like I'm like a little run out of my breath because I was like dancing my ass off with taki rumba. So anyways, stop it right there. No more. So anyways, so I cut my chicken breast already. This is 2 small chicken breast. If you're using large size one, you just need to use 1 chicken breast. This is about 12 ounces of it. I just slice it really thinly, as thin as I can go. So try your best as well, because the thinner the chicken is, the better. So in here, let's add some garlic cloves. Instead of chopping, I'm just going to grate it, okay? So you will need 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, depending on the size of the garlic you're using. And just a little bit of ginger. I usually don't use ginger in my bulgogi, but since it's chicken always amazing with ginger. That's why I decided to use ginger this time. I think that's pretty much what different this chicken bulgogi recipe to my regular beef bulgogi recipe. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin. So mirin is a seasoned rice wine. It's a little slightly sweet, little slightly salty. If you watched a lot of my videos, you probably know by now. And Seonkyoung stop explain, we know what mirin is, but after 200, 300, 400 videos of using mirin, I still get questioned, what's mirin? So there you go. All right, next, the plum extract. It's my new favorite ingredients. I mean, it's been my new favorite ingredient since like 7 years ago, but I finally sharing with you guys because I was like, well, it's so hard to get. Why should I tell people to use this since they cannot get these ingredients that easy? But then I'm like, dude, if it's that good, just share with people. You cannot cook without the mashed egg. So like, you know what? I'm just gonna start keep using it as much as I usually use at home. And this is not sponsored, so whoever this lady is, you're welcome. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of it. So what the plum extract does, this is like a preserved green plum with sugar. So it has like a little tangy, fruity, sweet, preserved, that fermented flavor into it. So instead of adding regular sugar, it just makes it another different level of flavor. So yeah, let's add some black peppers, about 1/4 teaspoon, and a tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of sesame oil. I'm just gonna mix everything together. Yes, you can do it with the hand, but I don't feel like it right at this moment, okay? So, leave me alone. My mom probably watching this and saying like, mix it with your hand, what are you doing, girl? But, all right, this is good to go. I'm gonna set aside right here. And let's slice some onion. You will need 1/2 of the onion. Now I'm gonna heat a skillet over high heat. So while the pan is getting hot, I'm going to explain my udon noodles real quick. So I'm using frozen udon noodles. They're fresh and frozen. So I just bring them from the freezer and run under the hot water to loosen them. So not cooking it, but just under the hot water to loosen them and get softened and just drain completely. Because we are going to stir fry with the sauce in the pan, so you don't need to cook them in the boiling water. If you're using dried one though, then go ahead and boil and follow the direction and prepare that way. That's why I love using frozen one. It's so much easier to do. I just need to, rinse under the running water. All right, my noodles are good to go. Pan is hot. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So I'm going to saute. So I'm going to start frying my onions first. Because the chicken breast is so thin, we do not want to overcook it, and they will cook so fast, faster than the onion will do. That's why I'm cooking onion first. So make sure pan. Make sure the pan is hot, but not like a smoking super duper hot. You could marinate the chicken to overnight, but about 10-15 minutes will do too, because how thin it is, it wouldn't take that long to absorb all the flavor. Saute the onion about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and softened and translucent looking. All right. Onion looks amazing to me, so I'm going to add the chicken. Looks so good, it smells amazing. Chicken will really not take that long, so I'm going to quickly chop up some green onions to use garnish later. See, literally it took like a little over 1 minute to chicken to cook like what, 3/4 way? Most of them are cooked so fast because they are so thin. All right, now when the chicken is fully cooked, I'm going to add my udon noodles. Makes me so happy, the color and the smell. Guys, this right here is home cooking. This is home cooking. I don't know what it is, just makes me so happy. I mean, this is pretty much done cooking, but I'm going to taste the piece of onion or the chicken to taste if the seasoning is correct. Good. This is freaking on point, on point. I'm gonna add this half of green onion that I chopped earlier for color. Look at that. Look at what this popping green do to the dish. Oh yes. And I'm also going to serve them on a plate that I put some crown dage, or we call sukat, or tongho in Chinese. Unnecessary, yes, but I thought it'll be really beautiful. Put some green underneath of the plate. Pop, pop, pop color. You know what I mean? So let's serve. Half of the chicken escaped. It's okay. I need to learn my skill of plating without dropping. Finally, some chopped green onion on top, some sesame seeds, black pepper. Last finale, sesame oil. Who's ready for this? My noodles. This is perfect picture right here.
Oh, my little honeydew, I wish you saw you the way I do. Your voice sounds
Yeah.
that makes me feel all warm and
I need to be careful because I upload some of these videos on my Facebook too, and whenever I go like they think it's a very inappropriate voice or the sounds I'm making
I just can't
for eating food, so like they block the video. So I need to kind of control myself. Young radish kimchi. I didn't make it my own, so I just got it from the store, but oh yeah. I don't know what happened to my life, but I feel like I just won something. If you need a kick, sriracha will do too. I put too much in my mouth. Choke myself. It's that good. Guys, if you liked my chicken bulgogi udon noodles, please give me a thumbs up. And share this video and the recipe. Watch it with your friends and family who you wanna share this recipe, or you simply who you just wanna watch with. I mean, watch it, laugh at, and like inspire what to cook, and maybe set up a day like, yeah, let's make the chicken bulgogi udon next Saturday. Yeah, let's do it. And like send a picture, take a picture, take a video and send it to me. That I always reshare on my Instagram story. I shout out to you guys. I like your picture, I comment your picture, so don't forget to do so. But before you do that, you better follow me on my Instagram. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house. Oh, wait. Before that, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my channel. And you know the little bell button, go ahead and click that too if you don't want to miss any notification, because I noticed a lot of you guys are not getting notification. Make sure you get the notification by clicking the bell, okay? I'm pretty sure a lot of other YouTubers telling you how to do, so just do that to my channel too, okay? Alright, so yeah, subscribe my channel if you haven't. Share this video with your loved ones, and yeah. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung and this is Asian at Home. Guys, I will see you next time. Bye! Mwah.